Welcome to the world's first Institute of Customer Experience Management. We offer a postgraduate program in service management which includes 11 months of in-house training and 4 months of internship. We have several real-time projects, and one such real-time project is this immersion workshop, which is exclusively designed for us. And this was done in the rural market for a period of over 3 days. And we have the objectives for this immersion workshop as follows: to understand the rural consumers' sources of income or income generation avenues and their spending and saving patterns; to understand the rural consumer behavior in 3 villages near Gopichittipalayam, their buying influences, buying motives, buying decision process, etc.; to understand their priorities in life, yardsticks for measuring progress in their life, the role of relationship influences, aspirations and lifestyle values, moments of truth, sources of income, decision-making process, and their standard of life.
To distill the DNA of rural market and rural consumer behavior, the class has been divided into 3 different teams. Samyukt, meaning unity, led by Mr. Venashravan. Sankalp, meaning aim, led by Mr. Ketan Soni. And Sanskriti, meaning culture, led by Ms. Neetu. Each team visited each of the 3 villages over a period of 3 different days. For the purpose of better coordination and for acting as a local navigator, we sought the help of the presidents of village panchayats of Nanjakaundapalayam and Vellalapalayam, namely Mr. Palaniswamy and Mr. Velumani, respectively. These 2 gentlemen not only gave our participants and our coordinator a wonderful place to stay, but also ensured that our stay during these 3 days are very comfortable. We sincerely and thank these 2 gentlemen for having been a part of our course.
To conduct this study and make this immersion workshop very meaningful one, we have designed a questionnaire consisting of 25 questions that is based on another exclusive and distinctive model called the pyramids model, whereas P stands for the priorities, Y for yardsticks of their life progress, and R for relationship influence, A for aspirations and lifestyle values, M for moments of truth, I for income sources, D for decision making process, and S for standard of living.
We would like to share the inputs from this workshop with the industry and companies that would surely be benefited from the interesting insights emerging out of the Gram Darshan. And we propose to have at least 6 Gram Darshan in our 11 months coursework. Thank you.
Thank you.